Hello, viewer. I want to play a game. I have kidnapped Dad to Glory, and I am holding him captive in my underground bunker. He is chained to the wall. The only way for him to escape is to A. Saw off his foot, B. Eat his wife's sausage casserole from last night, or C. If this video gets 20 likes and gets to 100 subs, the key to his salvation is in your hands. Let the games begin. Hello and welcome back. What's the crack? To another episode of Dad to Glory, my poor man road to glory. Yes, that's right. Jigsaw has kidnapped me and is holding me in an underground bunker. I am chained to the wall and I have three options. I either have to cut my foot off to get to the key to the other side of the room, eat my wife's sausage casserole from last night, which there's absolutely no chance I'm going to do. I mean, there's a dead body in this room and I don't know what smells worse. It might be the dead body or the sausage casserole. Either or, both of them are absolutely horrendous. Or say, if it gets 20 likes and 100 subs tonight, I'll be able to escape. And it's pretty cold down here as well. The only thing is, he has got internet, an Xbox, and let me sign into my account so I can do this video tonight. So anywho, on with the show. Right, there's a few SBCs out. Let's see what we have here. Tomb Raider. Anyway, this is how I done this one here, and you get yourself a cheeky rare gold pack for it. So that's actually pretty nice. You're more than welcome to do this the way that I done it. I think I only had a few players from loyalty, and the rest of them, the rest of them I just had in the club, or that I had to buy off the transfer market. And this is how I've done the Flying Dutchman, just Premier League players basically, and a couple of Dutch guys on the left. So that is that. And let us know how you get on in the weekend league. I've only played 2 matches. Or sorry, 6 matches and won 2. So I must actually try to get stuck into it tonight. I'm absolutely wrecked. I was working all day, and then on the way home, Vauxhall Corsa pulled up beside me and someone jumped out, hit me over the head, bundled me into the boot, and lo and behold, here I am, stuck in Saw's basement. So if you are our first time viewer to the channel, leave a like and a subscription so I can break free from this place, because there's absolutely no way I'm eating the sausage casserole. If I have to cut the foot off, I'm going to cut the foot off. Right, to open up the first pack, the Prime Electrum pack, let's hope we get something good. Let's see, we'll go down the tunnel. Portuguese, right mid, Benfica, what's that? Pizzi. You're taking the Pizzi. Yeah, Pizzi. Wouldn't it be lovely to pack Ronaldo? Look at that there. Oh. Ragani. It wouldn't have been that there. It'd be nice if it had been Romagnoli. Get myself a wee scream card. Now on for the rare gold pack. If I can get something this here, that'd be sweet as well. Let's see, we'll go down the tunnel. Oh, no, nothing. Man, they're giving us Italians, but they're not giving us the proper Italians. Not going to give us anything that's worth anything. Oh, that's an absolutely bogging pack altogether. Oh, striker or centre forward card. I don't even think that there goes or anything. Yeah. So there you go, lads. That there's the SBCs done. Please leave please leave a like and a sub on it, and try to get to 100 tonight so that I can escape from this hell. And thanks very much for watching the video. I'll catch you all again. Bye bye.